Today I'm going to explain the basics of Figma components. I'll talk about what components are, how to make them, and why they're important in design. Components are really useful when you use something a lot. Think about a button you use on different screens or an icon you put everywhere. If you use something over and over, turning it into a component is a smart idea. Now let's get into making a component. Imagine you have a button. At first, it's just a rectangle in text. When you select it and click the Create Component button, it looks like 4 diamonds. The shape gets a purple frame and becomes a component, represented by the 4 purple diamonds. To use a component again, you make an instance, which is a copy of your component. You can do this in a few ways. If the component is on your screen, hold down Option while you drag it. You'll see a copy of it, but without the 4 diamond symbol. Another way is to look in the Assets panel, find your component and drag it out. Or press Shift+I to open the Components panel, search, and add your instance. So why is this useful? When you change a component, all the instances change too. Change the color, text, or even add new stuff. Everything updates together. But let's say you change an instance and want those changes to affect the main component. Click the component's name, then the 3 dots, and choose Push All Changes to Main Component. On the flip side, you might want to tweak an instance without affecting the others. You can do that too. And if you ever want to undo changes or reset some things, you can do that as well. So that's the basics of components. This video was created with Castofly, a cloud-based web platform that allows you to record, refine, and publish product demo videos with ease.